Hello friends, welcome to lesson 43 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. The first note on the lesson, the note G, we find it on string number 6, fret number 3, and we use finger 3. Then we're going to need the open third string for the next G, the open second string for the B, and finger 4, we're going to bring it to string number 1, fret number 3, to get us that G. We're going to divide the finger picking pattern in two sections. The first one is thumb, index, middle, index. Thumb on string number 6, index on the third, middle on the second, index on the third again. So it is 4 strokes. The second part of the finger picking pattern starts with the ring finger on string 1, index on third, middle on second, and index on third string again. So the second part is all together sounds like this. And that covers beats 1 and 2 of the measure. Beats 3 and 4 are a repetition of beats 1 and 2. So the entire measure is what we just played, but twice. Let's hear that. And that's measure number 1. Let's move on to measure number 2. We are going to bring finger number 2 to string number 3, fret number 2, finger number 1, string number 2, fret number 1, and finger 3 on string number 1, fret number 2. The finger picking pattern is going to start with the thumb on the open 5th string. So we're going to be playing strings number 5, 3, 2, 3. That's thumb, index, middle, index. And the notes are A, C, A. Then on beat 2, we use the second part of the finger picking pattern, ring finger, index, middle, index. That's string number 1, 3, 2, 3. Or the notes F sharp, A, C, A again. So beats 1 and 2 together go like this. And then beats 3 and 4 are a repetition of what we just did. Let's hear the entire measure number 2. And then measure number 3 is the exact same position of the left hand. The only difference is the thumb playing the open 4th instead of the open 5th, which gives us a D on the bass. So it is 4, 3, 2, 3, and then 1, 3, 2, 3. That's D, A, C, A, and then F sharp, A, C, A. And then we repeat that 1 time. The entire measure 3 then is and then comes measure number 4, which is the exact same position as measure number 1. That is finger number 3 on string number 6, fret number 3, to get that G. And then finger number 4 on string number 1, fret number 3, to get the other G. Open third and open second strings gives us the yet another G and the B note. Finger picking pattern remains the same. Thumb plays string number 6. So it is thumb, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. And once again. Let's hear that measure without interruptions. And then we go to measure number 5. We are going to need finger number 1 on string number 3, fret number 1, and finger number 4 on string number 2, fret number 3. The notes that we're playing is E on the open 6, G sharp on the 3rd string, D natural on the 2nd string, and E natural on the 1st string. The finger picking pattern is the same. Thumb, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. And we play that one more time. Thumb, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. Let's hear that without interruptions. And that's measure number 5. Then we go into measure number 6. We bring finger number 2 to string number 3, fret number 2, remove finger 4, and bring finger 1 from string number 1 to string number 2. That's all we need on the left hand, and the notes that we need are open 5th for the first A, the second A on the score, we get it on the 3rd string, the C, we have it on the 2nd string, and the E, we have it on the 1st string as an open string. Finger picking pattern is the same. Thumb, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. And we play all that once again to get the rest of the measure. Yes, measure number 6 then, without interruptions. Which leads to measure number 7. From measure 6 to measure 7, we are going to keep the fingers right where we have them. That is finger 1 on string 2, fret 1, and finger 2 on string 3, fret 2. We are going to add finger 3 to string number 1, fret number 2 to get us that F sharp. And the thumb on the right hand is going to play the open 4th string to get us the D. We are playing D, A, C, A, F sharp. Let's do the finger picking pattern, divided into the 2 sections. Thumb, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. And once again, thumb, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. Let's see measures number 6 and 7 in action. Notice how the left hand is going to add 1 finger, and the right hand is going to change the thumb from the 5th string to the 4th string. So starting on measure number 6. And 7. And finally we get to the last measure, number 8, which has the very first position of the entire lesson. That is finger 3 on the G of the 6th string, fret number 3, and finger 4 on the G of the 1st string, fret number 3. Then open 3rd and open 2nd for that G and B. Finger picking pattern is the same, except that we do not repeat it. It is thumb, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index, and then we play 4 strings simultaneously. Strings number 6 with the thumb, 3rd with the index, 2nd with the middle, and 1st with the ring finger. We let it ring for an entire beat, and then we do the rest for a beat, and then it's done. So measure number 8. And that is lesson 53 from the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Keep the practice fun and enjoy the process.